Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll quickly explain a smart and simple way to keep your computer running smoothly by automatically emptying the recycle bin in Windows 11. Over time, deleted files accumulate in the recycle bin and begin to take up significant space on your hard drive. While you can manually delete them, Windows has a built-in feature called Storage Sense that automatically handles this task. Okay, let's get started. Open Windows 11 Settings, where you can access and configure various system options. From the Settings page, click the System tab in the left sidebar. This section contains basic system settings, including storage management. On the other side, scroll down a little and click the Storage section, where you can monitor drive usage and configure cleanup options. At the bottom, under the Storage Management section, you'll find the Storage Sense feature. This feature is designed to automatically clean up temporary files, including the contents of the recycle bin. To adjust the settings for this feature, click on the small arrow next to the toggle switch. And to enable Storage Sense, enable the toggle switch for Automatically Clean Up User Content to automatically start managing user files. Then, click the Turn on Storage Sense drop-down menu. To set Storage Sense, there are several options: daily, weekly, and monthly. I'm selecting the Every Month option, which will inform Windows when the cleanup should be performed, which is monthly. Then set the recycle bin cleanup to 30 days. In the Delete Files in the recycle bin, if they have been in it for more than 30 days, drop-down menu, select 30 days by default. This means that files that have been in the recycle bin for more than 30 days will be permanently deleted. Then, set the Downloads folder to Start so that the contents of the Downloads folder are not saved. Click the Delete Files from the Downloads folder if they have not been opened for more than 30 days, drop-down menu, and select Never. This will ensure that important files are not accidentally deleted from the Downloads folder. The final step is to turn on Storage Sense Now. At the bottom, you can click the Turn on Storage Sense Now button to start the cleanup manually immediately if you want to test it. It may take a few seconds for Storage Sense to complete, and once it's finished, you can close the Windows 11 settings window. That's it for today's video. With just a few clicks, you've now set up Windows 11 to automatically empty the recycle bin every month, helping your system stay clean and saving you the hassle of manually clearing it all the time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more useful Windows tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.